Social media has become crucial to marketing for businesses across all industries, including car dealerships. In this video, I'll explain 6 tips to improve your dealership's social media presence. 1. Define your target audience. This involves understanding who your ideal customer is, what they are looking for, and where they spend their time online. For car dealerships, this could mean targeting millennials on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, or targeting older adults on Facebook and LinkedIn. 2. Optimize your social media profiles. It means creating a cohesive brand image across all platforms, using high-quality images, and ensuring your contact information is current. You can also use a social media management tool like Hootsuite or Buffer to manage all your social media profiles in one place. 3. Create engaging content. The key to success on social media is to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. For car dealerships, this could include quality photos and videos of your cars, testimonials from happy customers, and behind-the-scenes footage of your dealership. Video is the most engaging type of content on social media. So, creating video tours and high-quality virtual tours of your dealership's inventory could attract attention very well. 4. Leverage influencers. As you know, influencers have a large following on social media and can help promote your dealership and reach a wider audience. Partnering with local influencers who have a large following in your area can help generate buzz and increase your dealership's visibility. 5. Use social media advertising. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. It ensures that the right people see your ads. Social media advertising can be tailored based on the affordability of dealers. So dealerships of all sizes could benefit from it. 6. Be responsive on social media. Communicating with your audience is crucial for building a strong social media presence. This involves responding to comments and messages, thanking customers for their support, and asking for feedback. Being responsive and attentive to your audience can help build trust and increase engagement with your dealership. With these tips, you'll be on your way to social media success in no time. Don't forget to share and like this video and subscribe to the Glow3D YouTube channel to stay tuned for the latest sales and marketing tips and tricks. Glow3D.com, DIY and AI-powered media software for car dealerships.